Hey, how you doing? Austin here. In this video, we're going to talk about Cardano, and we're going to talk about the fact that I firmly believe Cardano is about to skyrocket. Cardano is about to take off. In fact, right here, right now, it is one of the only cryptos that is up in an overall kind of bearish, lackadaisical word of the day, crypto market. And we're going to talk about that. We're going to look at a piece of content. We're going to talk about the data of the smart contracts, when they go live, things like that if you're not aware. This is what's really interesting, is that we have a hard date out there. We have a date where we actually know when smart contracts are going to be implemented in the Cardano network, and thus we have this run up leading up to that date. Okay, so I firmly believe that Cardano is about to take off. In fact, I have been liquidating some of my portfolio and moving more and more into Cardano because I definitely think it's going to continue to go up and up and up. And we'll talk about a price point as well. As always, this video is for entertainment purposes only. Thank you for yourself. Thank you for your support of me, my channel, and my videos. I got to give you a commercial. You know it. For those of you guys who follow me, hey, look, here's the thing. If you're interested, come on down, click the link below in the description, the top pinned comment, and check out my my Patreon group. Here's the thing. Yes, I talk about Patreon in every single video. You know why? Because I genuinely, truly want to help you. I want to help my Patreon inner circle members achieve the best they possibly can. I've spent the last 2 hours today just going through and direct messaging people and helping them with their portfolios, giving them guidance on directions they should go, things like that. So you have direct access to me. You can message me. I give you portfolio guidance. I've already mentioned that. You get to see exactly what is going on in the portfolio. In fact, I sent a sell alert out today to my portfolio members saying, hey, I'm selling this and I'm buying some more of that. So I let you guys know everything what's going on. So if that's what you care about, if you're interested in maybe some help, then I would love to help you with that. Both levels get access to the private community, the Discord as well. Okay, so let's talk about Cardano. Cardano is, again, I think fundamentally getting ready to skyrocket. We hit all-time highs of around $2.20 a couple of days ago, and I've been kind of watching Cardano today. I knew I was going to make a video, and earlier today we were in about the $1.95 range. You can see like right here, yeah, we actually touched down into $1.89. Okay, so right here, right now, the high in the last 24 hours has been 216, and she's resurging. Okay, absolutely, Cardano is moving up. You know what? Let's do this. Let's go back to this one because I wanted to show you this. Let me refresh this, so that'll give us a better view. There we go. Okay, so I like to switch back and forth between windows. You can tell. So again, you can see Cardano in the top. In the top 10, yeah, I mean, outside of Solana, which it's crushing it right now, it is one of the only fews. It's just up now 3%. It's one of the only fews that's even making a run. It's doing this without the support of Bitcoin and Ethereum. I mean, think about that. I'm just going to pause for dramatic effect. Cardano is making a run. Look at the chart right here. Look at this right here. See over here? Look at the chart. Look at the little bam, little tail. Look. And by the way, Bitcoin and Ethereum not really doing as much. Cardano is kind of charting its own path. It's doing its own thing. And that's really pretty cool to see. Okay, so again, we dropped down into that $1.89 range and with a high of 216. Here's the thing. Skyrocket is the right word. That was not clickbait. I think that Cardano is absolutely going to continue to go up and up and up and up and up. I mean, you've got everything they're doing with smart contract implementation that's been waiting on for years. We have a hard date. Let me tell you what that hard date is. That hard date is September 12th. We know now fundamentally that the hard date for smart contract implementation is September 12th. Period. End of story. Guess what? We have an event. We have a catalyst. We know when it is. Historically in crypto, when you have an event, you're going to get a lead up going up to that. So I think it's not out of the question at leading up to this September 12th event for Cardano to go to $3, $4, maybe more. It would not surprise me if we saw $5 Cardano in and around that period. Wouldn't surprise me if we didn't get there, but it wouldn't surprise me if we did. You know, so what I'm really mean is this is a date we've kind of known about, and we've got to have some things go our way. Right now, the overall cryptocurrency market is not going our way in the relationship to Cardano skyrocketing in the short term leading up, but I definitely think that Cardano could hit $2.50, maybe $3 leading up to September 12th. And if we got to 4 or 5, wouldn't really shock me. But I'm going to flip that. It wouldn't shock me if we didn't get there either, because I think that the overall, Bitcoin, Ethereum market is a little soft right now. Now, I'm going to double back on what I just said because as more and more I'm thinking about it too. Okay, so I know everybody agrees pretty much that September is going to kind of begin the gradual move up to a major bull run in fourth quarter of 2021. Okay, so with that said, is it possible that we could get to $3 by September 12th? Yes. Is it possible that we can get to $3, maybe $4 by September 12th? 4 is a little stretching it, but maybe 4 or 5, maybe later into September. And most of that is riding on the back of the overall crypto market rising as well. Okay, because you can see that basically Cardano is right there. It's really the number 3, right? It's market cap's a little low, but I mean it's just got to pick up another 5 or 10 cents, and it will pick up the number 3. It really is the number 3 crypto in overall crypto currency market. Okay. So I think again, but by the end of the year, by the end of 2021, $10 is pretty. I think it's definitely a doable thing. If the smart contract implementation goes well, and oh by the way, the market continues to really go well, and if we get a bullish fourth quarter, which I firmly believe that we will, I think that that's pretty much a done deal. Okay, so from the standpoint of Skyrocket, yep, I think that it can double, if not triple, if not 5x from where it's at right here. It could even be a 7 or 8x. It is possible that early into 2022, we could see Cardano at $15 or $20. I don't think that those are unreasonable market cap numbers for Cardano, becoming the second, basically the third largest overall crypto, hands down, number 1. Number 2, when Ethereum, for right now, it will be the largest proof of stake, blockchain there is, but when Ethereum moves to their proof of stake model, which is going to happen towards the end of this year, into the first part of next year, obviously Ethereum will take over that throne, if you will. That's okay. All right. I think Cardano again is going to move forward. And let me sum up Cardano for you. Here's how I kind of look at it. I look at it very simply, and I'm a huge fan of Ethereum. Ethereum is my largest holding by far. But how I look at Cardano is Cardano ADA at $2.10, which is what it's right now. For me to double my investment, let's say I put $1,000 into it. For me to double that, I got to get to $4.20. For me to double my investment in Ethereum, it's got to go to $6,000. That's a much harder, bigger, massive move, right? With $359 billion market cap. It's easier. Cardano is effectively, think of it this way, from a market cap standpoint, it's smaller, it's more nimble, it's a smaller number. Thus, it's not as hard to move to double or triple that investment. Now, I'm not minimizing how hard that really is. That's a tremendous amount of new retail investment coming in, and all that kind of stuff. I'm not minimizing that. I'm just saying kind of overall, I think that there's a tremendous amount of upside potential in Cardano ADA, just like I think there is in Ethereum. To me, they're different. They're the same, but they're different, right? And I hold Ethereum and Cardano for different reasons, with one underlying principle. I love to own the infrastructure, right? So I kind of think of Ethereum and Cardano as the foundation of a house, okay? So all the projects are built on top of Ethereum, and all the projects are built on top of Cardano. I love to own the foundation of the house. That's what I love about Ethereum and Cardano and things like that. So again, just kind of a few final thoughts. I think that Cardano is absolutely going to skyrocket. The number is, again, for it to go to 200 to 400, if you bought today, you double your money. Goes to 600, you've tripled your money. Things like that. And so that's how I look at it. And I think it's pretty straightforward. This is a 30-year stock guy kind of looking at it, going, that's a pretty good bet, if you will, in my opinion. Again, not investment advice. Do your own due diligence. It's a good bet. How I look at it from an opportunity standpoint around Cardano. I think fundamentally it is one of the best coin opportunities right now in the market. Period. With all that said, thank you for your support. I'll see you down the road. See ya. Bye.